In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a notes link on iPhone. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step with clarity. First, you want to open the Notes app on your iPhone. This is your starting point for sharing any note you have created or saved. The Notes app is a versatile tool for jotting down thoughts, making lists, and keeping track of important information. Once you have it open, you're ready for the next step. Now, locate and open the specific note you want to share. It's important to ensure you have the correct note, as sharing the wrong one might lead to confusion or sharing unintended information. Take a moment to verify you have the correct note before proceeding. Once you have the note open, look for the Share button. This button is represented by a square with an arrow pointing upward. Tapping this icon is crucial, as it opens the options for sharing your note. From here, you'll see several options, but what you want to do is select Collaborate. This option allows you to share the note with others, giving them the ability to view or edit the content. Collaborating on notes is an excellent way to work together on projects or share ideas. Next up, you'll choose the sharing permissions for your note. This step is essential because it determines who can access your note and what they can do with it. You have two choices here: anyone with the link or only invited people. Choosing anyone with the link makes the note accessible to anyone who has the link, while only invited people restricts access to those you specifically invite. After deciding on who can access the note, you'll need to set the level of access they have. This means deciding between can make changes or view only. Can make changes allows others to edit the note, which is useful for collaborative work. View only means they can see the note but not modify it. This keeps your content secure from unintended changes. With those decisions made, tap on Messages, Mail, or another app to send the link. Choosing the right app is important because it determines how the recipient will receive your note. For instance, if you choose Messages, it will send as a text message, while Mail will send it as an email. Finally, go ahead and send the link to the recipient. This last step is where your note gets shared with the chosen person or people, making sure they receive it in the manner you prefer. You will see a confirmation appear once the link is sent successfully, and there you have it. You've successfully shared a notes link on your iPhone. This simple process allows you to collaborate and share information seamlessly. Remember, sharing notes can be incredibly helpful for both personal and professional use, allowing you to keep everyone on the same page. Thank you for joining me today, and happy note sharing.